Yo guys, getting master here with a team deathmatchy state, Groundwar, let's go. Featuring Fazzo, Silas, SnifflingLime. Was that Fazzo we're trying to talk? No way. I swear it was. Well anyways, let's go. Yeah, first loaded over the little house. And then if that fails, what you did, over there. Yeah, first blooded. Oh my days. Run. Who's shooting us? Fazzo. Yeah, Fazzo. I'll beat you back. Yeah, Silas. Yeah. It's a freaking reunion of this bitch. Yeah. Let's go. Let's shoot a javelin quick. Oh, SnifflingLime tactical knifed everybody. No way. Wow, get in Lime. This is so good.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Let's see if we can get him with a flying claymore. Everyone's like, what do you mean flying claymore? Watch. Yeah, where did it go? Question mark. Well, it's over there in the river. If you don't believe it, let's go find out. That was so good. Oh, no way he was at, and where was he? No way he rocked configuration. Well, it was there, the thing I was going to show you all, but I got distracted and died. No way. It lands like over there in the river. Right there. Right on Suzuki Robbie's head. Well, let's see who was trying to chase me. Oh no. Yeah, I can't see anything through the glass. I can't believe he's sitting there, big dog's ass on it, big fat bastard. Come on. Housekeeping! Ah, let's go. It almost gets him. Nobody's in the toilet, are there? Nope. Oh yeah, hi Curbs. Curbs. Someone's definitely at the front door. I don't give a crap, I'm lying right there.
Friendly predator missile inbound.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm not shooting any more bullets through the bushes. I was just trying to get a little pop shot. Did not happen. Yeah, you can look where you're at, and all the way down there. It's amazing. Is there somebody there? Oh, the claymore summit. Where? But always watch out for people coming up this way, because they always do.
We lost the lead.
I haven't seen SnifflingLime all game, apart from when he killed it. And that was it. Is he still here? Yeah, he is. 10, 11, I see. Yeah. Where's everybody?
Enemy Harrier incoming.
SnifflingLime, dead. Yeah. Come on, hurry up, pull it back.
Friendly Harrier inbound.
Oh, I'm dead, it's over. No way, I shot but it didn't work. Oh, killed him by SnifflingLime. Yeah, I got it, Lime.
Harrier incoming.
GG. Oh my days, there's so much going on. Paving those Harriers, oh my. Flashbangs. What on earth? There's like 5 helicopters in the sky, 10 care packages. 10 flashbangs, 10 UAVs, 10 everything. Oh my days. And it's all so close. So like neck and neck in the game. Come on, yeah, let's go, hurry up. Carry on the game. Oh my days, can we pull it back? Someone's right there. Oh my days, come on. Last kill, come on. No, yeah, again, Fazzo. We won there, like, I can't believe we just pulled it back and getting absolutely wiped out and winning. Yeah, come on, Fazzo, last kill, get in. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. 16 and 4. Yeah. Yeah, it's a really good map as well. Rundown domination. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. The next one will be this map, so look forward to that. Yeah.